So, welcome to Bovington. At the moment, the airfield is actually closed to fixed-winged aircraft due to some redevelopment work going on. This work involves the main runway being resurfaced, taxiways upgraded, the main apron being extended, as you'll see later.
Warning, active taxiway.
So, as you can see, the cleaned up taxiways are probably being resurfaced. In the background you can see the construction of the main apron, which is being extended, which looks almost to be twice as big once completed. This is also going to have a new entrance into the new part of the apron. And then walking round, in front, this is where the helipads are and where they refuel the aircraft, which has also been dug up and new concrete pads being made. As you can see, it's quite a big project with construction equipment down here. There's also new LED lighting going on the runways and taxiways, I believe. So the 3 existing helipads have been dug up, ready to be relayed with new concrete. All the reef bars in there. So once the work's complete, I'll come back and then show you again what it's like.